Alright, here we go. Ah, that is a bag. This is a banana full of money. Give me 1 second, I'm gonna close it real quick. This is kind of an unboxing, I guess. I don't know. But are you ready? There's a game inside here. It's my funky friend. Yo. It took a while, but we got tropical freeze. I need to take off the plastic because I haven't taken it off yet. I'm gonna use my pencil here to dig crud. Okay. Dig a hole. Through like this. Yeah. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. Look at what I'm playing on the Wii U. Let me get that. Look, it's a Pikachu. Look at what I'm playing. I'm going to turn up the volume so you can hear this. I'm playing this game. I'm working on 100%ing it. But, screw that. Tropical freeze in there. I have it right here, so let's compare them. Yeah. New funky mode. Look at what's inside. Look at this. This is sick. Oh my god, I need to put this on. Oh my god, I need to put this on. The front. Holy cow. Okay, how can I set the phone up? I guess like this. And I don't know, use... There we go. Alright, look. See right there? I'm gonna take it out. And put it in like so, and without screwing it up, if we look at it, there we go. And now we got this. This is sick. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna get the switch, which is right here. I'm gonna turn it on. Turn the volume. I'm playing Mario Kart. No one cares. So I'm going to take it out like so. I'm going to put in the game. There we go. Let's go ahead and slide this bad boy in. Hey! Oh my god, I'm so excited to play this. Oh, it already loaded. Jesus, that was fast. Jesus, that was fast. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Holy cow. Jesus, that was fast. Oh, I have to press L and R. I did it, boys. Oh my god, I'm playing Donkey Kong on the Switch. Oh my god, I'm getting goosebumps. Funky mode, you already know. Funky! Radical! You're playing a Funky Kong. I know exactly what Funky does. Woo! I should probably turn that off, but who cares? Cliffhanger. I'm going to continue this later. Alright? Goodbye.